Smart bulb installation, Bluetooth mode, with the Feit Electric app. This method applies to lot numbers 228-20 or greater, with the lot number located near the base of the bulb. Start by screwing the light bulb into a socket. Then, turn on the bulb. If the bulb does not start rapidly blinking, turn it on, off, on, off, on. Once your bulb is blinking, make sure your Bluetooth is on and open the Feit Electric app. From the app's homepage, tap Add Device or the plus sign at the top right. Tap Go to Add in the pop-up window. Then, select your device. Enter your Wi-Fi network username and password, and tap Next. The connection process will now begin. Be sure the Wi-Fi network you're using is a 2.4 GHz network. If the connection fails, quit the app and repeat the previous steps. Wait for the confirmation screen to start using your device. You are now ready to control your new smart bulb. Tap Done. Tap the bulb icon to turn it off or on, or press and hold it for more features. To learn more about app or smart bulb features, visit feit.com for the latest information.